Hello everyone. So welcome back to Code with Jonesy. So it has been for a long time. I didn't do any tutorial about React, Python, and other programming languages because I was busy. But now I am. I think I have time to make a video even for 45 minutes, even for an hour, so something like that. Yeah. Today I'm going to show you how to build a calculator. So how to build a calculator with Redux and React Native. So how can you build it? So React will help us to build a calculator mobile application, and Redux Toolkit will help us to set a dark mode and then a light mode, as you can see. So this is a calculator I've just made today, and it's a beautiful. So I'm going to publish it. Even you, at the end of this video, you'll be able to code your own calculator using React Native, Redux, and then publish it as well. So let us see what will happen when we try to manipulate it. I want to change the dark mode. I have just changed the dark mode. And now, as you can see, the buttons are well structured and well colored, something like that, and it's awesome. So 7 plus 7 equal 14, and it's awesome. You can do whatever you want. 5 times 9 and equal 45, and 100 minus 6. Yeah, it's 94. It's a beautiful calculator. At the end of this video, you'll be able to build your own calculator like this. As you can see, it's beautiful. So please, before starting, I beg you, I ask you to like my video, to share it with your friends, and invite more friends so that they can all together learn how to build a simple calculator using React Native and Redux Toolkit. So it's awesome. So I'm going to show you everything today. Yeah, now as you can see, our calculator is beautiful, and I'm going to show you how to say like the logo and doing something which is good. Yeah. So today you will learn many things today. So okay, let us start. I will start from scratch. This project, I will teach you everything we need for this project. So now I want to open my command prompt, go inside my folder called YouTube 2025. I'm there, and then okay, so go inside my folder called learn. This now called learn. So let me create a project inside this folder called calculator. Now I want to create, if you have not installed your React Native in your application, so in your window or Mac or something like that, just go to the website of React Native, and then install or download Node.js, and then install everything as well. So today we just going to learn how to build a beautiful calculator as well. So now to create an application, we're going to do something like npm create expo. So I'm gonna use expo with TypeScript. TypeScript is is very good because while developing application, we would see some errors, some mistakes we are making. So, and it helps us a lot. So, I will call my application calculator, right? Good. So now let us hit enter, and then I will just come back after everything. Okay, everyone. So I've just created our project called calculator. So let us change our directory to calculator project. So I'm there, and what we need to do now, I need to reset a project. So first, let me show up is there because I don't want to work with many files inside my project. So, but I just need to reset it as well. So as you can see, we have our application and then we have many stuff there, and as you can see, there's many stuff and I just want to reset a project. So if you want to continue with it, just delete other stuff. But I just want to reset. To reset a project, I will use npm run reset project, and I will run it as well. So let us say it asks me if the program asks me to move all file in app dash example, but I don't want it. I want to press no, and now my project will be empty now. Good. As you can see, yeah, I've removed many stuff. As you can see now, my project is awesome. So let me run it in my emulator. Let me run this one in my emulator. So first, let me close this project and run this in my emulator. To run the project, just type npm start or run under it, but I just want to do start to show you other stuff. My emulator is there. I've already opened it. There we go. I've just opened it now. I want to open this project in the emulator. To open it, you come here and then press A, which means under it. So I'm running in my emulator. Just wait a little bit. Okay, everyone, as you can see, our project is in our emulator, but what I need to do is I just want to remove this bar and then change the content, and we're going to build our calculator there. So let us open Visual Code. Let me do this. There we go. And there. So let me change this. Next time I will show you how to use Tailwind inside your mobile application. If you want to build a mobile application using Tailwind, I will show you next time. So for now, just let me show you how to build a calculator. Now I've changed it. So now I want to change. I want to remove this bar and I want to hide it. To hide it, just come here, type screen option, and then brag and then header shown. Header shown must be false. And then there we go. Header shown is false now, and then I don't need it anymore. just want to come here. So, but for now, I want to install what we call Redux. Okay, Redux Toolkit. So come here, go into your browser and then look for Redux. Okay, and copy this one, write Redux Toolkit, and then copy this one, then come with it. So want to open another terminal inside this Visual Code. Yeah, it opened now. Just want to install Redux there. Now let us install Redux now. Come here again, copy the second command called npm, or you can just type npm install Redux, also React Redux app redux.js, and then dash toolkit. Yeah, you can just do it as well if you want. Yeah, but we still installing stuff. While we are installing stuff, just come here, create a folder called component, and then inside component, come here. Okay, just leave it blank like that, and then create another folder called futures. Okay, now inside the futures is the place we're going to put our Redux inside. So inside the future, create a file named store.ts. So I'm using TypeScript store.ts or ts6. So if you want to, okay, now we have installed Redux Toolkit. Now we want to install React Redux. So now we are installing the stuff. So by now I have just created a store. Okay, now create another file inside the futures called theme slash dot ts6, but you can code it using React, something like so you use it only React if you don't want to use TypeScript, so it's optional. So let me create a theme slash first. So to create a theme slash, what we're going to do first, let us import create slash from where, from at Redux Toolkit. Okay, and I will have to import also payload action. Sorry. So now we have already installed every stuff. So just want to hide this, and I have imported it. So now because we are in the TypeScript, so let me create an interface like a type of this stuff of our theme. So just I will name it theme state. Okay, then is dark. Okay, so like is dark is a variable creating. So this one will store our dark mode color, and then it will be a boolean. So this is a type of our theme we're going to create. Now let us create initial state. Okay, initial state must be this theme, okay, the theme state, okay, because we have already create our type here, which is called theme. Then we're going to put it in our initial state, right? So now let us use is dark mode. Here it will be false. Is dark mode? No, it's false for now. So yeah, you will see everything. So now let us create a variable called theme slice. Okay, theme slice equal create slice. We have just imported here. So and parentheses and then bracket, and then inside let us give it a name which is called theme, right? We'll be using this name in our project, and initial state is here. So uh, we have written it. So and then after that we have reducers, and this one will contain functions. The first one will be toggle theme, okay, and in the parentheses in parameters we have state, we have action, sorry, we have action, then action will take a payload station we have just imported, okay, payload action we have just imported. So let me write it well. Action payload action is, I think it is correct. Payload action, yeah, it is correct. And now it won't work because we are using TypeScript. We need to specify boolean there, like the type. And good. Now our function is ready. So here we have like a few things to do. We just set this state, mean like this state is dark, and then equal action payload. So whatever will pass in our state, whatever we'll do, Redux will handle it correctly. So it's very easy using Redux. Now let us export this one. Const. We will export this toggle theme, which is a function, and then theme slash actions. Okay, and let us export now by default theme slash that reducer. Okay, we are ready to export. Now expect again. Export. Now we're ready to go. So let us move in the store. Okay. Now we are in the store. In the store, we have only few things. Let us import first. Configure a store. Okay, from Redux Toolkit, and then let us import by default theme reducer. So from futures, from theme slice, right? Good. Remember, we have created it. We have created a theme slice and then imported it by default. Means like whatever name you will name it, it will be called. Yeah. That's all we need to do here, and then we have some stuff to write here. Just let us export first this store. This store we will use it somewhere, so I will show you how to use it. So configure store, and then here we have reducer, and reducer will take theme again, the theme reducer, this one here, and it's if you have many functions to import here, you just import and then add stuff, and that is all. So let us export. Let us export now. I'm going to define the type named like this is this one like first state. So that's one to give it a name. You can give whatever name you want. So return a type. So it will return type because we are in a type script. That's why I'm using this one. So type of store store dot get state. So it is a function in built in React, right? Yeah. Then come here again, type, then give a name app dispatch. App dispatch. So just want to give a name, but you can give whatever name you want. You can give whatever you want. Dispatch. No A. Okay. Yeah. So type of store. Okay. Store. Whatever. Store dot dispatch. Okay. And dispatch is a built-in function in Redux, and that is all for now. So now we need to close it and we don't need it anymore, but we need this stuff store and yeah, we need store in our main folder. So to find our main folder is in app folder, main file, sorry, and then we come here in layout.ts, then come here. Okay, so once we are there, what we're going to do, we're going to import a provider from Redux. Okay, so now this product is from, yeah, I want to import it from Redux. Okay, I want to import this provider from Redux, React Redux. Okay, and I will need also a store we have just created. It is there. Redux Toolkit. No, don't need to import this one. And let us import store. This store, yes, future store. Yes, there we go. It's from future. This folder, and we have a store there, and just need to import it as well. And now, what are we going to do? Let me add parentheses here. Okay, let me add parentheses. Okay, and then I will use provider here as a container, right? And as a container, so just want to come with this stuff, with it there, and provider will take. We'll have a store here, and then we add our store we have just created. Now we are ready to go. I have saved our I've saved everything, and let us see because our app is keeping refreshing. Okay, good. Now we're ready to go. Now you can see like there's not an error, and this alert tells us like a test. This we have rendered the test somewhere, but not inside the text, something like that. But yeah, let us close now this stuff and this here. I don't know. Okay, let me check in this one. Maybe I have. Okay, good. We have this one. That's why we have an error. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Just come here. Okay, we are in index. Okay, So in the index, well, we need to import some stuff. We need to import here. We need to import here. Use selector. Use selector. Use selector must be uppercase here, so lowercase, not uppercase, and then use dispatch. Okay, we have it, and then we need to import the root state. Remember, root state we have just created inside our futures. So, and then we have also we need toggle theme. So toggle theme. Remember, we have created those stuff, and yeah, that's all we need for now. And just come here. Let us use later. So I will name it. So first, let us use dispatch. Dispatch. Dispatch will be use dispatch. And that's all. Need also is dark. Is dark mode. Okay. Is dark mode. So use selector, and we have state here. And state must be, because we are using TypeScript, state must be root state, okay, because it is a type. We have defined it. And we need state dot theme, remember. So we created theme in our store and it's dark. That's all. That's all we need to do here, right? Now we're going to use a dispatch and then it's dark, right? And what next? We need to import switch here. So just write switch, and then come here. Yeah, let me leave this stuff like that, and I will come here and do something like, okay, I will use a switch. First, let me create a function here which will help us to handle a value in the switch. Okay, before doing that, I just want to add some value here. So let me clear all this stuff. We don't need it anymore. We don't need it anymore. Right style and style bracket. Come with it in style dot container. So we'll write every stuff. And after we need background, background, background color. Background color is dark. If it is dark, so then I will use 12, 12, 12, yes, 12, 12, 12. Else, then we use F5, F5, F5. Yes, I will use it. And there we go. Yes, that is all we need for now. And yeah, I want to say this top bar. So it comes from React status bar. Okay, and so background color must be F5, 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 and then bar style must be that content. Yes, yeah, must be that content because background is yellow, right? Yeah, we are good to go. So, but now let me remove this name and come here, write view, okay, and what we're going to put inside the view text. We're going to put a text inside the view, and the text will contain this one is dark. Okay, if it is dark, we will write dark. Okay, we'll write dark mode, else we'll write light mode. Good, that is all we need. Now let me say it. Let me add a style. So style will be dot style. So we'll import everything. The text. Okay. Just let us write it like this, and come here again. Set color. Color tool is dark, and if it is dark, it is a condition we are adding, right? If it is dark, I'm going to show F like white color, and if it is not dark, it will be black. You know, there we go. There's an error somewhere. Comma, comma. I forget one thing. I have forgotten one thing. Wait, I have this stock, and yes, I have forgotten. No, not forgotten, but a mistake because we are using it there. Yeah, that is what we need to do. And what else? So this view will take like will be like style equal style, and will be switch will be oh sorry will be container switch container. And yeah, okay, so we will add another stuff here and after this view, so it will be inside the view. Inside the view, we will add the switch. Let us add switch now. We have class name, so I don't want to add stuff again. Good. I will do like value is dark, alright? And we have on change. We have on value change. Value change will be an handle toggle. So it will be a function which will help us to change a dark mode and other stuff. Yeah. And first let me create it as well. So handle toggle. So and before doing that, so let me add another view which will contain our keyboard, right? Good. And now just I'll add the style as well. Remember, we haven't imported many stuff, so keyboard container. So I will leave it like that. So now let us create a handle toggle function. Handle toggle function. We're taking a parameter. We have value. Value will be boolean. Okay. As well, now we need to use dispatch. Remember, so dispatch must write it in lowercase. Dispatch, and dispatch will take toggle theme. Remember, toggle theme is there. Then inside the toggle theme, we're going to insert a value, and that is all. But now let us import style, style, style. So style shoot from Redux and then create, and yeah, first we need container. Container will take flex1 and justify content will be space between. Okay, and the second one will be switch. Okay, and will be switch container. Which container, yes. So flex directory will be row, and line item will be center. So will be center, and we have justify. Justify content will be space between, space between, and width will be 100%, and padding horizontal will be okay. So now let us do this. We will need to import also a dimension, like to define a width, you know. Yeah, so we need to import a dimension to define a width, you know. Yeah, but to do that, I come here, import dimension here, and what we need to do is const, and then import width from there, and then height. So now like this, height, from dimension dot get window. First, get window, get window. Good. So now we come here, we use width, we use, I mean like, okay, yeah. Oh, there's an error. No, it's correct. Width, and now width will be multiply by 0.05, means like I will show you how will it look like. Now the margin top will be height. Margin top will be height. Then multiply 0.02. Yeah, can put 2. And we have now text, and text will use font size. Font size will be width multiply 0.05, and font weight will be bold. Okay, but you can use whatever you want. And now the last one, we have keyboard container. We have keyboard container. Okay, so justify content will be flex and but we'll add it later. So let me save it and see what will happen. And let us see. Let us see. There we go. As you can see, we have light mode. Here it is light mode. Let us set in dark mode and see what will happen. Oops, there's an error. Show me. Okay, so I've just refreshed my application. So as you can see, dark, and we have light, we have dark, light, and that is all. But now, what are we going to do? We are going to create a keyboard, right? And to create, just first let us create a button. First, let me create a button. So come here in our component folder, and we have button.tsx. Okay, so I will do it faster. Generate stuff. Come here, and yeah, I want to import use selector. So yeah, use selector will be using use selector here. Use selector, and from React Redux, and import also root state. Remember, we have created it somewhere. So let me create interface. Okay, button props. Okay, and we will have on press, which will be a function, and it does not return any value to void. Come here again. So let me come here again. Title will be string, and we have is blue. Remember, in the calculator I showed you, I was like was we had a blue button and then a gray button. Is gray here, so it will be blue. Okay, yeah, that's all we need to define here. Come here, right on press. So on press need to be, say it is to axis, and yeah, on press we have title, we have is blue, we have is gray, and all of them are from button props. Good. Now here we need to put text title, you know, and a view will be replaced by touchable opacity. It will be imported automatically. It will be imported automatically, and we need to add style here. You need to add style. So the style will be style button, like button. It will be button, and I will create it later. So we have this blue. If it is blue, I should style it like the style should be button blue. Okay, so we create everything, and then if it is gray, and the style must be and style that's button gray. Okay, yeah, and after that we need to put also is dark. Is dark. So is dark mode. We need to create it. We haven't done it. So to do it, we'll be using like is dark mode. Will be use selector, and remember we added also state and state will be root state, okay, and will be state of theme dot is dark, okay, and we are ready to go. We are ready to go now. It's dark, and then show the style everything, okay, style everything means like if it is like light, it is light, we should style our button like this, and then if it is dark, let us style the following button be dark, and I'm here style again, button then dot light, okay, button light, not dot light, button light. Good. So let us now, but okay, first we need to add also another props, which is on press. Okay, and after that, well, we have style it, but let us start here. Let us add again style here. Typically, it should be a text, right? And is blue. Is blue. If it is blue, I should, okay, is blue or gray, you know, I should style it like text must be white, whatever it is. If it is blue or it is gray, text must be white, okay, and if it is dark mode, okay, if it dark mode, style must be text like, I should start also the text in a dark stuff, text and dark. Okay, and that is all we need to do here. Now, let us style it as well. Come here. Okay, we have button. Okay, we have button, and then width will be 70. And then we have height. Height will be 70 to 70, and border ranges will be 35, and justify content would be center, and align item will be center, and margin will be 5, okay, and let us set the button blue, and background should be blue, so like 007B FF, okay, and gray button is gray, background color must be a 6 a 686, good, and we have button light, background, background, sorry, background should be white, FFF, and we have already also border width sorry, border width must be 1, and then border radius must be border color, sorry, 48 color model. So DGD and that's all. Now we need the dark. Dark will be a little bit, so let me copy this, paste this here, and dark, dark. So instead of white, background will be here 333, and instead of this border will be 555. Yeah, and we have text, text, text font size. Size will be 24, and font weight will be bold. Good. And we have text light, text light, text light, text light. Okay. Oh, sorry. Text light here we need to set color. But yeah, I'm just starting. I want to style everything. So, and we have also text dark, text dark color will be color will be 000, which is dark. Oh, sorry, I think we will run an error because yeah, we'll run an error somewhere. Text white. I mean, like, there's text white. Yes, this one is text white. Text white. And we have comma here. And this one is a style like this. And I think there's also an error somewhere. Which is set from, so let me pause. Okay everyone, so I forgot to add light style, and so let me write first light style also. I will show you what I did. So it was like I forget to put because this one was a condition is dark. If it is dark, and the text should be light. If it is not, the text should be dark. But I forgot to put this color there, so I've just do everything. And now we have styled our button. Then let us come here, create what we call keyboard. So my keyboard, okay, my keyboard .tsx. In my keyboard, we need to now to render everything there. So first, let me do stuff here like this, and let me import a button. Yes, I've imported a button here. So we have some state we need to write. We need first number and set first number. Set first number will be uh, use state. Use state will come from React. Use state, and here it will be a string, and here will be a string like this. And we need also paste the number. We need after first number, we need second number. Second number. So second number use state, which will be string. Sorry, to be string also. And then after this, we need operation. If you don't know anything about state hook, so I will come with another video. But this state hook is I'm using TypeScript. That's why I'm doing this stuff. So and will be string also. And then we have the last state, which is result, and set result. And set result state, and now the result will be number. So and to be number, no, here and write no here, right? And that is all we need. And now we need to define some functions here. We need handle number, handle number press. Handle number press will take num like argument with string. Repeat like this, and we need another function called handle operation press. We take argument which will be string, okay, and string, yeah, come here, and then we need again another function handle. This one is handle operation, and then after handle operation we need another one called toggle. Toggle sign, right? I will show you how it works. Toggle sign, and we need another one called delete. Called delete last digit. Delete last digit. We want to take an argument there. So delete like this, so we just set directly, like we have set number, set first number. So we set first number. It will take previous. It is oops. Sorry. To take this one and then take pref number. That slash will be 0, and then so we'll replace the value by 0, and that is all we need to do here. So it doesn't matter to write everything. We need also clear, and these are very simple function. I just need to write it as well, and we have set first number to be no, and second number to be also empty, and we need to set operation to be empty, and set result be no. Good. And that is all we need to do here. And we have here a switch like and get result. We need to stuff here and if like a condition means like if second number and first number, okay, if they have value, what we need to do is const num1 equal first we need now to convert no pass float and second number, okay, and const we need num2 and we need the pause float float also first now will be first number and good. Now let us store the result here. We do like number be or no equal no. That is all we need to do. And just after that, we'll switch now. Switch would switch. Good. So it will be an operation. To be operation value. In case of like plus, these are operation we are setting, right? So in case it is plus, in case this plus, we will like set result, okay, num1 plus num2, okay. Now, yeah, that is all we will be doing. So I just want to copy everything and come back later. Okay, everyone. So I've just set up everything. So I've just repeated everything again and again. And now after I've done everything, I will reset like a result to result and then set first value. I go to result and then convert it to string and then set the second number should be null and then the operation should be also empty, right? Yeah, this is all we need to do. And now I will just copy I will just copy the the keyboard here and then I will come back and I have to explain you later. So okay everyone, so I've just copied on the keyboard here. So it means like I have you can style whatever you want, but here this is a display, a display called display here, and then inside the display we will be displaying the result value, which is our first number, second number, and for the default value will be 0. And then after that, I have button. Remember, we have imported the button at the top here, and then pass it the props. Here we have text. We have is blue. You have is gray, and we have on press. Good. So, but now we're going to use a button here, so a custom button. So we have a title, we have is gray, and that is all. And we have also title, and yeah, we have is gray, we have modulo, we have vision, and we have stuff. You can start so in the row, so in the view, and these are the button I've just done. So for this one, this sign, you should go through Google and then type this one like edit for calculator, and then you will have this icon like this, and you will use it as well. And this is our style sheet. So it's not like very complicated to start, but it's very easy. This is about so this is our display, but I can change it as well. Good. Now everything's about okay, and then after that we have on press, and then we have the function because okay, remember we have created every stuff here. We have function, we have this, we have this. So that is what we are going to write right now, because we have called those here. If it is an operation, we'll use our handle operation press. Okay. If it is a number, we use handle number press. Okay. Yeah. If it is clear, like set, we get result, and then we have delete, and everything we have written those right here. But now let us implement this stuff. So first we need to check if result if result if result is different to know if it is like that. We set first number to none, okay, and set also result to null. And that is all we need to do here. And then else we need to assert first number to first number. Okay, we take the first number and then plus number. Okay, plus the second number that user will enter. So come here again. Now we have handle operation. So let's check if first number exists. Check first number, and then we set operation. Okay, so operation might be this one, this parameter operation, and set also second number to first number, and come here and set first number to null. Okay, means like if we set if it is the first number, we should set the operation, like should set the operation, then set also the second number, and then remove the first number to add the second number. Okay, and now we have toggle sign. Toggle sign is if first number, if it is first number, should check if first number exists, and we just do like first number and then previous. Okay, and previous, like previous dot start with. If it starts with, I will show you this sign. Okay, if it starts with, I should previous dot substring one. Okay, and I should print like the value of ref. Should print the value ref. Okay, and now let me close it. Okay, and now delete last digit we have already, and get result. Yeah, well now our calculator is like almost ready, but now what are we going to do? Just come back in the index. Okay, remember we have created a keyboard container here, and then import my keyboard. Import my keyboard. Okay, then there's an error. Import my keyboard. There we go. Yes, now we should be able to see. Let me refresh my application. There we go. We have our calculator as needed, and that's how you can create stuff. So let us test it as well. 8 plus 9 equal, yes, 17, and then dark mode. Yes, as you can see. Okay, everyone. Okay, that was a simple calculator, and it's very good and very beautiful. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so that you won't miss any tutorial about any programming languages. So please share my channel with your friends and other stuff. It's the only thing you can do to support me. Thank you so much for watching. So see you next time. Next time I will show you how to use a Tailwind inside your React Native project as well. Thank you so much. Bye.